Hello everyone, today I would like to explain how to solve statistic hypothesis testing about question tutorial 9.2. The question is, UMK students claim that the cost of living off campus is less than the cost of living on campus. To support the claim, 36 UMK students who stayed off campus were selected at random and their mean expenditure per day was RM34, with a standard deviation population is RM4. If the mean expenditure of UMK students staying on campus is RM35, can we accept the claim at 1% significant level? Today, I test the claim that off-campus living costs are less than RM35 ringgits. First, our null hypothesis is that the population's mean equals RM35 and the alternative is the mean is less than RM35. We use one sample z-test because the population standard deviation is known. The sample has 36 students, a sample mean of RM34, and a population standard deviation of 4. At a 1% significance level for a left tail test, the critical z value is negative 2.333. We compute the test statistic by taking the difference between the sample mean and hypothesized means, which is -1, and dividing by the standard error, 4 divided by the square root of 36, which equals about 0.67. This gives z equals -1.5 because the -1.5 is greater than -2.33. We do not reject the null hypothesis. In conclusion, at the 1% level, there is insufficient evidence to say off-campus costs are less than RM35. Thank you.